5 creators, 1 video. YouTube just changed the game. Whew, y'all, YouTube is playing no games right now. They just dropped a brand new collab feature that lets you tag up to 5 creators in 1 video. And this is about to shift the whole platform. Welcome and welcome back. I am Sin. So if your channel has been stuck, slow, or just giving you the why am I still here energy, this might be the shortcut that you have been looking for. So here's what we're covering so that you know exactly why this feature is a big deal. Okay, we'll cover what the 5 creator collab feature actually is, how it helps you grow fast, how to use it step by step, 5 collab formats that go viral, how to find creators even if you don't know anyone yet, also how to use this to reset your YouTube momentum. All right, are you ready? Because I'm ready. Well, let's go. Okay, so here's the deal. YouTube Quality gave us a tool that feels small, but is actually massive for growth. Now, here's how it works. You can now tag up to 5 other creators on 1 uploaded video. Listen to this part and listen very closely. When they accept your request, your video gets pushed to their audience, their recommendations, people who watch creators like them, your own audience, and people who watch creators like you. So you're basically getting 5 times your reach with 1 upload. Let me say it again for the people in the back. 5 creators, 1 video, and 5 times the visibility. This feature is powerful because collaboration equals algorithm trust. When you collab with creators, YouTube goes, oh, if their viewers like them, they'll like you too. So it starts recommending you to a new pool of viewers automatically. Even if your channel has been stuck, even if your views have been looking real dry, even if your last few videos didn't get hits. Okay, moving right along. This part is super simple. Here's how to use it like a pro. Step 1, upload your video as you normally do. Then you're going to click add collaborators. Then after that, you're going to add up to 5 creators. Once they accept the tag, boom, you have shared reach. And yes, the creators you tag don't even need to physically be in the video. They actually have options. They can add a clip, send a quote, send a clip of them saying 1 sentence, or simply approve the tag without doing any of the above. Creators love exposure. Most will definitely say yes. So listen closely again. Here are 5 viral collab formats. These formats are easy for anyone to participate in and share. Number 1, family. 5 different families can share a morning routine or night routine or what they eat during the week. That's a good one because the audience get to see 5 different families doing 5 different things. Number 2, beauty. 5 different creators show their fave fall makeup looks. That's 5 different styles in 1 video. Number 3, shopping affiliate creators. That's 5 creators showing their Amazon must-haves with 5 different styles. Number 4, motivation, education content. 5 creators share 1 thing that changed their channel. What I wish I knew before starting YouTube, or creator roundtable. Number 5, cooking creators, different recipes for the holidays. Listen, you don't need friends. You need strategy. Here's how to build collabs fast. Go to channels in your niche under 10K. Okay? Like, comment, support them regularly. Go to Instagram. Send a DM. Hey, love, I'm filming a new video using YouTube's new 5-person collab feature. Would you like to be one of the creators I tag? That's it. That's all. You will be shocked how many say yes. Now, here's where it gets exciting. If your channel has been stuck, this feature can kickstart new recommendations, push your content to fresh eyes, boost your credibility, bring you into new niches, help you reach audiences you never would have touched before. YouTube loves multi-creator content because it keeps viewers watching longer, more perspectives, more voices, more engagement. Let me tell you something. You do not want to be the creator who waits 6 months and then say, I wish I would have listened. You want to be the creator who moves early, who tests new features first. All right, here's your homework. Number one, choose one collab format. Then pick 3 to 5 creators. DM them today. Upload your next video within the next 7 days. Tag me when you post it. I want to see it, okay? So we can stop crying saying YouTube doesn't love us. The algorithm doesn't love us because they're giving us the opportunity to show up and show out. So let's take this opportunity to do that. Listen, find people that are in your niche. Ask them if they want to collab. Y'all get together. You make how you're going to do this video. You post a video. You get 5 different audiences. 5 different groups of people. You may all be in the same niche, but they may be different type of people. So then you'll get different people. Just because everyone loves beauty doesn't mean everyone is applying beauty the same way. You know what I'm saying? Like, what if one person does their eyeshadow one way for the fall and then someone has a quick little hack? You're like, oh my God, I didn't know that this was even a thing. 5 different creators, 5 different voices, 5 different perspectives, 5 different personalities, okay? It's a win-win. It's a win-win. So go ahead, do your homework, find the people that you would like to collab with. Even if they don't respond back, you can also find someone else or go ahead and just send them a request to tag. They may accept it. Do what you have to do. This is our opportunity to shine, okay? Once you do the video, make your video, let me see it. Comment down below. And also comment down below if you're going to try this out. I'm definitely going to try it, okay? So if you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, your girl Sin is out. And don't forget that knowledge is power.